Jim is just a pretty down-to-earth person. He's not boastful, but he's smart and he's a little bit outside the box in the way he thinks, and I think that's been a help for him. My grandfather started the business in 1945. My dad really had a lot of design ideas, and he took over the company for my grandfather. When Jim took over the company and became the president and CEO, things really did change a lot.
Jim expanded the brand portfolio from just Sub-Zero only to Wolf Cooking and now Cove dishwashers. He invested in state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities and really ramped up our level of customer service support. All of these initiatives paved the way for the sales team to set up dedicated distribution and really grow the business rapidly.
For a designer, the product is a dream because we're able to personalize the kitchen, most important room in the house, connect it to the client. And it's interesting that we can do that with refrigeration. Their product is disguised, and it's disguised by the designers to meld into the space. It's just been an amazing job that they've done through design and through new products and engineering.
Something that's really important to Jim is expanding product lines and expanding innovation. Those are very, very important, and they're the lifeline of the business, really. And I think that's where the new Innovation Center comes into play. That's going to be the future.
When you tour the Fitchburg campus today, you quickly realize it is one of a kind in the industry. It really sets the company apart. It enhances the brand's image, and it gives our trade partners confidence that this is a company that I want to partner with, a company that I support, and a company that I trust.
You know, there are people that are sitting in the ivory towers, and there are people that are, really overseeing things from a distance. Jim is a worker. He really holds the value of hard work very highly. He's at the base level with people like the designers, with workers, and he's very connected to the business. He's very passionate and very dedicated and appreciates everything that everyone does around him too for the company.
It went from very humble beginnings to now we have showrooms in over 40 countries all over the world. I think both my grandparents and my parents would be completely thrilled and surprised at all the success Sub-Zero has seen, due in large part to Jim, my brother, who's taken it to new heights. We have my children and my nieces and nephew working there now, and I know they take a lot of pride in it too, and what they have to look forward to.